Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add subtitles to your videos in the CapCut PC. So first, you can just open the CapCut PC and then import your clips and then just drag it into the timeline in the CapCut PC here. So I've already added mine in here, so this is the video. And then to add subtitles, you can just go to captions at the top, and here you can add captions manually by importing the SRT, LRC and or ASS file, but you can also use auto captions from the CapCut PC. Here you can just choose this spoken language, so I'm going to change it into the language on the video, Indonesian. If you want to, you can also enable the bilingual captions, but I'm not going to, so I'm going to just start by clicking on generate. Now the CapCut PC will generating the captions for my video, and this is it. This is the subtitles or captions of my video. And if you want to edit the style, like the size and everything, you can do it. So in here you can change the font, you can change the color in here, or you can also choose a preset style for your subtitles. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.